It's Patrick at Pals. Chuck, what is Dylan doing back here with a cart and some pliers and some wires?
He's rebuilding a wiring harness that goes to this Volkswagen Super Beetle from Mexico that we have out in the shop right now.
Tell me about this cart.
Well, it's a utility cart that we've got multiple different kinds of wire on, 14 and 16 gauge, for wiring up cars and repairing harnesses. On the other side, we've got rolls of vacuum tube that are for when we get cars that have vacuum leaks or have a tube that's disintegrated and needs to be replaced. On the end of the cart is where we have the things for all of our butt connectors and so on and so forth. Although we haven't gotten any of them in, these are ring eyelets for creating ground straps and things of that nature. But,
so this cart makes us more efficient.
It does.
And this actually saves the customer money.
It does, because when you're efficient, it's also time effective.
And most of these jobs are charged by the hour because it's all custom work. So the longer the technician spends on it, the more it costs.
Right, the more it costs the customer.
So instead of making multiple trips to the parts house to get the proper wire and connectors, we've got everything in stock, and Dylan can come back and in one step fix everything on the wiring harness.
Yeah, this particular customer tried to start the vehicle and using a jump box, and they didn't mount it on there properly, so it ended up melting the entire wiring harness that ran to the starter.
And it backfed to the generator and everything.
Yep, backfed to the generator, so we're going to have to replace that as well.
Well, if you've got a wiring problem, bring it to Pals. We've got the equipment and the supplies to take care of your